Today, Atmadeep, an organization from West Bengal that works with persecuted minorities from Bangladesh, Afghanistan and Pakistan. And these are predominantly Hindus, but also Christians and Parsis and Buddhists. We came on behalf of them to the Chief Justice today, seeking that their applications under the CAA be decided, number one, on an expeditious basis, because some of them have applied way back in 2014 and way before that, and their applications still have not been decided. And number two, a number of them have already been included on the electoral rolls. So the law is very clear. The law says that you cannot take away the right that is already there. And so we are seeking that provisionally remain until the roll is finalized. Number two and number three, that those who are not on the rolls be included provisionally based on their application. So when this country is giving shelter to persecuted minorities, and the fact that others should also be given shelter is on a separate ground. Today we are on those that already legally the central government has said that they must be given citizenship because they are persecuted minorities. Now you can't have a situation where there is double injustice, where their application has not been processed for years on end, and number two, that they aren't being given that full citizenship, that the government has said that they are entitled to. Of course, those who are not entitled should not be given, but we are just saying that it should be processed on an expeditious basis in a fair manner, and those who have a right should be expeditiously be included in the SIR and on a provisional basis and be given the right to vote.
Ma'am, the logic behind SIR is basically it is intended to identify the citizens of the country and give them voting rights,
yes,
and exclude the outsiders. So
yes.
How do you justify your application in that regard, in your petition in that regard?
We came to this country because we were told that we will be insiders, that we will be recognized as insiders. We were told in Afghanistan, we were told in Bangladesh, we were told in Pakistan that we were outsiders in that country. We were told that we would be welcomed with open arms in this country. So we should not be considered outsiders if we are indeed persecuted minorities from those countries. And we are only saying expedite our applications. The law has already been laid down by this court in Basudeo. So we are saying expedite our applications, provisionally keep us on the SIR, and then on the final rolls, our applications should be decided by then. And if I have citizenship, place me on the roll. Don't knock me out on a preliminary basis.
So is there any idea about the number of such people, number of applications, or how many people are there in West Bengal in specific, if you can say?
So we have asked for the ECI to respond on this, but some estimates say that it's about 2.5 crores.
हिंदी में
वो हिंदी इंग्लिश कर लेंगे.
हाँ थोड़ा मिक्स.
आज आत्मदीप एक संस्था है बंगाल में, उनके लिए हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट आए. ये संस्था CAA के तहत शरणार्थियों के साथ काम करते हैं. मेनली हिंदू हैं और क्रिश्चियन भी हैं और बुद्धिस्ट भी हैं, बौद्ध भी हैं और पारसी भी हैं. ये परसिक्यूटेड माइनॉरिटीज़ हैं मेनली. क्योंकि हम वेस्ट बंगाल की बात कर रहे हैं, ये मेनली बांग्लादेश के हैं. अब बात यह है कि ये शरणार्थी यहाँ आए क्योंकि वहाँ पे उनको परसिक्यूट किया जा रहा था, और यहाँ CAA के तहत इनको सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने बोला कि उनको यहाँ शरण मिलेगी. प्रॉब्लम आज क्या है? दिक्कत यह है कि कई सालों के लिए ये एप्लीकेशंस प्रोसेस नहीं किए गए, और ये जो SIR चल रहा है, कुछों को वहाँ पे लिस्ट किया गया है, कुछों को नहीं किया गया है. अब जिनको लिस्ट किया गया है उनको अब ये SIR के तहत निकाला जाएगा. हम ये कह रहे हैं कि जिनको लिस्ट किया है उनको प्रोविजनली रखें, जल्दी से इनका एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस करें और डिसाइड करें. एक बार जिनका एप्लीकेशन फेवरेबली डिसाइड हो गया, उनका सिटीजन के तौर से उनको वोटिंग राइट दे दें। और दूसरा, जो लिस्ट में नहीं है, ये कहा जा रहा है कि इनकी एक्नॉलेजमेंट स्लिप जो है, इसके बेसिस पे उनको SIR पे रखा जाए और प्रोविजनली जल्द से जल्द उनकी एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस की जाए। और एक बार ये एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस हो गई, फाइनली जिनको सिटीजनशिप मिल गई उनको इंक्लूड किया जाए।
मैम, कितने लगभग संख्या है ऐसे माइनॉरिटीज़ की जो बांग्लादेश है और इस वक्त भारत में रह रहे हैं, जो अपनी सिटीजनशिप के लिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
जी, कोई रिलायबल फिगर तो फिलहाल हमारे पास नहीं है, ये इसको ECI को जवाब देना पड़ेगा, लेकिन कुछ एस्टिमेट्स हैं कि 2.5 करोड़ लोग हैं।
नोटिस और कब तक हियरिंग, नेक्स्ट हियरिंग?
9 तारीख को होगी ये हियरिंग, दिसंबर 9 तारीख को, और फिर वहां से हियरिंग आगे बढ़ेगी।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।